Hello everyone, if you like my videos, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today I have got a product that I'm going to unbox and show it to all of you how it looks. This product that I've got today is a cat filter, water filter for cats and dogs to drink from. As usually in the normal water bowl that we keep, the water gets spoiled. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. Alright, so this is the actual product. It's pet drinking fountain, automatic circulation of water fountain, continuous water flow. It's 2 liter. It's for both cat and dogs. Circulating filtration, mute the pump, environmental 2 liter, high capacity, pet drinking fountain. Okay, these are all the things that comes with it. There is a water outlet, then there is a pump, then there is a filter. This is the size of it. Okay, clean filter with water only, spray nozzle, fountain tray, charcoal filter, lid, silent pump and bowl. So let's open it. That's it, the box is empty. This is the product. And there is a notice here. During transportation, it's common for some residual charcoal dust to seep in the filter. To help prevent the charcoal dust from shedding, rinse the filter thoroughly under running water before placing inside the fountain. If you find some charcoal dust in the fountain bowl during use, please rinse the filter with water. Alright. So this is a filter. Okay, there are 3 filters which already comes with the product. Rest you can purchase it again. One filter lasts for almost 2-3 months as per reviews from Amazon. I'm not 100% sure on that. This is how I think it opens. Okay, let's see that later. There is a way to open it. What is this? This is an adapter which I'm sure is for the pump. Indoor use only. 35 to 120, 230, 240 volts, 12 volts output. There's the pin. Next up is the pump, water pump. So this is a LED that comes with the pump attached already, I mean. Then there is this pump with 4 suction things. Then this thing directly plugs into the adapter, I suppose. Yep. So this is how it works. The pump is immersed in the water. So we'll look at it. This is the next thing. I think it is a silicone mat to keep the pump on so that it doesn't slip when the pets are drinking water. Yep, it's not bad. You can keep the pump easily on it. Okay, there is a place also given to put the pump in. See, this is a manual and this is a output to the water outlet, and then there is a sponge thing. So let's open it. This I don't know what it is used for. I'll have to check it in the manual. This is a water outlet from where the water will flow. This is a normal thing to connect, like if you don't want a outlet like this. This I don't know what it's used for. I have to check in the manual. This is the manual, so it shows how to connect everything and what are the whatever is included. So let's try putting in and see how it goes. Okay, so as per the manual, the first step it says is to remove all the parts from the bowl, clean and rinse inside the bowl thoroughly with plain water. Place the pump inside the square indentation firstly, then extend wire bottom hole. Finally fix wire with the soft stopper. Okay, so let me just go ahead, wash the pump and come back. Okay, so I have washed everything. I have gone ahead, washed everything, and now I'll start putting it together. So I'll first do the I'll first place the pump inside the square indentation. Okay, so I opened the wire of the pump, and what I need to do is first we have to put the wire from here so that it goes out and has no worry of electric shock. So I'll just take this out. Let me just change the angle a bit. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll put the pump like this because the suction needs to go in. So yep, this is how I think that is fine. Then it says that we have to place the LED light in front of the pump around the bottom of the ball and place the black square sponge inside small indentation in front of the pump. Okay, so that is where the sponge goes. So here is where the LED light will go. Okay, that is how. See, the light is facing towards the top. Okay, and the sponge will go here. This one, it goes here. Nice. Okay, this step says that the small sponge that we have, this one that we were unsure of where to put, this will go here so that the wire is out of the box and it's nicely sealed. See, now next part it says to add the water, then wash the charcoal filter, place the lid on the bowl and everything, and then we can plug it in. Okay, let me just fill this up. Okay, so I have filled the water, and you can see there is a max indicator here, but I have not filled it up to the top. I just filled it enough to see how it goes. I've already washed the filter, and it goes in here. There is a nice indentation given for that. Okay, then there is this metal tray that goes on top of this, and it fits snug. Yep. Then we have to put it on top of the pump, I suppose. Place the lid on the bowl, place the filter on top of the lid and press down firmly. Place the fountain tray through hole in lid, making sure the tube connects to the outlet on the pump insert floor. Okay. Okay, looks like it's fit now, so we can go ahead and add the adapter and this water dispenser, or whatever you call it. There you go. So now the bowl will be filled. Right now the water is not filtered. Once it goes in, then it will be filtered water which will be coming out. So the benefit of this is there will be very less hair and everything in the water, and it will be filtered always. You can keep it on. The filter lasts for around 3 to 4 months, as I mentioned earlier, and it looks cool. There is a LED light. I'm not sure if I switch off the light will it be visible. Yep, that is how it looks, or at least in the night time also our pets know from where they can get water. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Do let me know in the comment section how do you like this product, and if you want me to unbox and review any other products, please subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Click the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates about all the new videos. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.